Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are breaking down a key topic in investment law that every business owner and professionals should understand. Non-compete versus non-solicit clauses in employment agreements. These clauses are designed to protect businesses when employees move on, but they can also affect your career options. Let's explore how they work and what makes them enforceable, especially here in the UAE. First, let's talk about non-compete clauses. These clauses prevent former employees from working for competitors or starting a competing business after leaving their current employer. They usually specify a geographic area, a time frame, and a type of business activity that's off limits. Key points to remember: the duration in the UAE non-compete clauses typically range from 6 to 12 months. Geographic scope: the restriction must be limited to locations where the employer actually operates. Activities: the clause must clearly define what type of work is restricted. Why do businesses use these clauses? They use them to prevent employees from immediately joining competitors with inside knowledge of sensitive information. But there are pros and cons to non-compete clauses. Pros: they protect business secrets and market share. Cons: they can limit an employee's career opportunities, and if they are too broad, they might not hold up in court at all. In the UAE, under the Federal Decree Law number 33 of 2021, non-compete clauses are enforceable if they are reasonable in duration, geographic scope, and scope of activities. If a clause is too restrictive, a court might invalidate it. Now, let's move on to non-solicit clauses. These clauses stop former employees from poaching clients, customers, or colleagues after leaving a company. Unlike non-compete clauses, they don't prevent someone from working for a competitor, just from reaching out to specific groups. Here are the key elements of a non-solicit clause. It may cover clients or employees. The duration is often the same as the non-compete period, typically up to 12 months. Why are these so important? This is important to protect client relationships and prevent talent poaching. Let's compare both. Non-compete clauses limit where and how you can work. Non-solicit clauses limit who you can approach. Non-solicit clauses tend to be easier to enforce because they are narrower in scope. So, how can you make these clauses enforceable? Some practical tips for employers are to use clear and specific language, tailor clauses to the employee's role and industry, avoid excessive restrictions that could be seen as unfair. For employees, always read your contract carefully before signing and get legal advice if a clause seems too broad. To wrap up, non-compete and non-solicit clauses are powerful tools to protect business interests. They need to be fair and reasonable. If you need help drafting or reviewing an employment agreement, contact Ruben & Partners for expert legal advice in the UAE. Don't forget, please, to like, share, and subscribe for more practical legal tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.